In today's video, we're going to be working on graphing inequalities. On the right hand side, just go ahead and I put the signs for you. What they are is less than the first one, second one is greater than, is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. For number one, we have x is greater than 3. So we're going to go ahead and start always wherever the number shows. So in this case, we have positive 3. So we're going to go to our number line and we're going to start from positive 3. Now, you can do an open circle or closed circle. When we're doing less than or greater than, we're going to be using an open circle. Now, for number one, we're going to go ahead and start at 3 and we're going to have an open circle, meaning that we're going to start from 3, open circle. Meaning that we're not gonna start as 3 because 3 is not greater than 3. So we're gonna go ahead and shade to your right, and you can go ahead and shade it to your right. So that way you can show that if you put 4 here, 4 is greater than 3, 5, 6, and so on. And we put open circle because if you put 3 is not greater than 3, okay? Now, for number 2, we have to be is positive 5. We have is less than 5. So we're gonna, once again, start in 5. But do we put open circle or closed circle? On this one, we have to put closed circle. We put closed circle because because we have the equal to, meaning that we keep 5 is less than or equal to 5. So we can go ahead and do closed circle. And then we're going to shade all the way to your left. Because we know that is less than 4 is less than 5, 3, 2, 1, and so on. So when we have is less than, or in this case, or in another example, we have is greater than or equal to, we're gonna use a closed circle. When we have is less than or is greater than, we're gonna use an open circle. And don't forget, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. In example 3, we have is less than. In example 4, we have is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so remember, go ahead, try to graph this problem, stop the video, and if you got it right, good job. If not, go back to example 1 and 2, or go ahead and press play and see how I did example 3 and 4. If it's still a little bit difficult for you, don't forget, continue watching the video over and over and over, and hopefully that will help. Okay, so for number 3, we have is x is less than negative 2. But remember, if it's less than, it's greater to, we're gonna have an open circle. So we're gonna go and always start on the number, and we're gonna look for negative 2. Negative 2 here, and it's gonna be an open circle. So we have negative 2 to be an open circle. And then do we shade to the right or we shade to the left? If we shade to the right side, we're saying that negative 1 is less than negative 2. If we go ahead and shade 0, we saw it said as negative 2. So we're going to go ahead and shade to your left. Okay? Hopefully that's what you guys got. And for number 4 is greater, x is greater than or equal to 4. And remember, when you say greater or equal to, we're always going to start where the number is at, which is 4. But it's going to be a closed circle because we could use, I'm sorry, that's negative 4. Because we can go ahead and use, 4 because 4 is greater or equal to 4. So we can go ahead and use 4. Now, do we shade to the left or to the right? Now, if we shade to the left and we put 3, 3 is not greater than 4 or equal to 4. 2 is not greater or equal. So we know we have to shade to the left, to the right, to your right. So you're going to go and shade because 5 is greater than 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and so on, okay? Thank you for watching once again.